Fáilte Rash, welcome back agus fáilte gotí an ceacht seo. Welcome to this lesson. We're going to look at how to tell the time in Irish and also ask what the time is. So stay until the end so you get all the phrases and you know how to tell the time properly in Irish like a native speaker. Achardus, firstly, we have a free pronunciation guide that you can download right down below. This goes through how to pronounce the Irish language, all the letters, vowels, combos, that are quite confusing for beginners or somebody that's just new to the language. And you can get this completely free down below. Just pop in your name and it has live links to pronunciation of all the words in it as well. So you can listen to every word in every single dialect. So it is a really amazing resource and you can get that faoin bhí seo below this video. Acharailin, on we go. There are 3 different ways to ask for the time in Irish, and you can just choose whichever one you find easier or you like, or maybe that you've heard before. One way is to ask Céin Tom A. Céin Tom A. Céin Tom A. What time is it? This pronunciation in yellow is just a general guide and it's not specific to any dialect. You can type this whole phrase into aber.ie and you can hear it in each of the dialects if you are interested in Ulster, Connacht or Munster, or you would just like to hear it over and over again a little bit slower. You can type it into aber.ie. It's an amazing resource. Here in yellow is just a general pronunciation guide to help beginners. So Céin Tom A. Céin Tom A, what time is it? Now, another way you can say it is Cad A an Tom. Cad A an Tom. So what is it the time, literally? Cad A an Tom. Cad A an Tom, what time is it? And then the last way we're going to look at is Céin Tom atá sé. Céin Tom atá sé. So what time is it? Céin Tom atá sé. Céin Tom atá sé. Then to answer that, we're going to look at first the structure and then we're going to look specifically at each different time. So it is something o'clock in Irish is tá sé a something a chlog. So tá sé means it is a something. So we put in a before our number and then a chlog is o'clock. Tá sé something a chlog. And specifically then the times, we have a hain a chlog for 1 o'clock, a hain a chlog, 2 o'clock, tá sé a dó a chlog, it is 2 o'clock. You can put in tá sé here as well. Tá sé a dó chlog, it is 2 o'clock. Tá sé a trí a chlog, it's 3 o'clock. Tá sé a cahar a chlog, it's 4 o'clock. Tá sé a cuaig a chlog, it's 5 o'clock. Tá sé a sé a chlog, it's 6 o'clock. Tá sé a seacht a chlog, it's 7 o'clock. Tá sé a chocht a chlog, it's 8 o'clock. Tá sé a ní a chlog, it's 9 o'clock. Agus tá sé a de a chlog, it's 10 o'clock. And for the last one, we'll look at other times. So 11 o'clock is tá sé a hain déag a chlog. Tá sé a hain déag. Tá sé a hain déag a plug. 12 o'clock is tá sé a dó dhéag a chlog. Tá sé a dó dhéag plug. Then 20 to 12, there's 2 ways here. You have fiche. Fiche is 20. Fiche chun 2 a dóigh 12. So chun is 2. Fiche chun a dóigh is 20 to 12. Now you can have fiche godí a dóigh, 20 to 12 either, and godí means 2 as well. Quarter to is tá sé carú chun a cahar, quarter to 4. Tá sé carú chun. So carú chun, quarter to. 10 to is de chun. De chun. So tá sé de chun a cahar, it's 10 to 4. And then 5 to is cuaig chun. Cuaig chun. Tá sé cuaig chun a cahar, it's 5 to 4. Now, if you want to say past, all you have to do is substitute chun with taréis. So cuaig taréis a cahar would be 5 past 4. De taréis a cahar would be 10 past 4. Cahar taréis a cahar would be 4:15. So sinna an bhí seo, that's it for this video. Don't forget to get your free pronunciation guide down below. Agus gur míle maithid arís. Thank you so much. Check out all the other videos in this playlist if you are interested in learning Irish. See you in the next one. Agus long go full. Bye for now.